1 1/2 hip thrust. An intense variation from the regular hip thrust, it will make your glutes pumped up after the first set. Find an elevated surface that's around knee height. This can be a bench, or you can use any machine with an adjustable seat to get to your perfect height. Place your upper back on the edge of the bench or seat, somewhere on the lower portion of your shoulder blades. Position the barbell so it lays directly on your hip crease, and then grab the bar. Drive up through your heels, feeling the glutes working. At the top position, your knees should form a 90-degree angle to your foot and the ground. Hold the position for a second, then go down halfway. Then go up to the top position, once again squeezing the glutes and holding the position for a second. After that, return to the starting position. You should rotate around the edge of the seat with your torso staying straight, not by extending your lower back. As you can see in the video, there is little to no movement at the spine during the exercise. You're only rotating your upper back around the bench and flexing at the hip. The feet shouldn't be too close or too far away from the body. You also shouldn't perform the hip thrust through the low back.